just put in a new culvert here at the driveway. And it takes all that water and it just dumps it behind the fence. This is not a great answer, but I suppose what I could do if I knew that there was going to be a heavy rain or something, I could tack something on here and then, you know, push it all the way back to the woods. This is still going to flood, that's not going to change, but this is better because before this whole area would flood too. This would all get wet and soggy. So now at least only over here will do that. And I don't really care about this part of the yard because it's all going to be turned into the garden eventually anyways. So it's fine. So I have two garden hoses going in here right now. And I mean, this is a lot of water. Probably even more than a typical rainstorm. And it's keeping up okay. I'm going to go ahead and dump this 5-gallon bucket here. Let's see what happens. It's going to get clogged with leaves. That was an issue before, it's still going to be an issue. But it fared just fine. Let me fill this back up and then I'll do it with the camera on the other side. Okay. I'll go ahead and dump the bucket now. Let's see what happens from this side. Like some of the rocks went through, but I don't think it's taken any more. So that should work. Of course, the heavy rainstorm just passed, so now we're just waiting for rain again. But so now we're ready. The only problem I can foresee is the pipe is a little bit too far forwards, so I may have to build all this up with rocks or something. But otherwise, I think we're pretty good here. Hopefully this works, at least for now. Eventually something more permanent is in order, but if this gets me through a year or two, then I'll be perfectly content with it.